Have you ever felt lost? Not in the world, but within yourself? Like you're walking through a forest, unsure of where the path leads, or if there even is a path at all. We spend so much time carrying the weight of expectations, what we should be, who we should please, and how we should act. But in doing so, we lose sight of the most important question. Who are we? Life will test you. It will place barriers in your way, tempt you to stop, to give in, to turn back. But every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to discovering the strength you never knew you had. The light you seek isn't somewhere out there, it's within you. And when you find that light, it doesn't just illuminate your path, it transforms the world around you. The journey of self-discovery is never easy, but it's always worth it. Because in the end, it's not about finding the way, it's about finding yourself. The journey starts with a single step. Will you take it?